Are you trying to find a working Bluehost coupon code that actually gives you a real discount? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get Bluehost's best deal, and I'll walk you through a few tips to help you choose the right plan and get your website online quickly, even if you're just starting out. Now, when you go directly to the Bluehost homepage, you'll see their standard pricing. But here's the thing, there's a better way. If you use the special link I've added in the video description below, you'll unlock the biggest Bluehost discount available today. And the best part? You don't need to enter any coupon code manually. The discount is applied automatically. All you need to do is scroll down, click the first link in the description, and when the Bluehost site loads, your discount will already be active. No extra steps required. Once you're on the site, you'll see several hosting plans to choose from. If you're only planning to launch one website, maybe a blog, a portfolio, or a small business site, then the basic plan is a great starting point. It includes web hosting, a domain name, basic security features, and it's the most budget-friendly option. But if you're launching an online store or need tools for memberships, subscriptions, and courses, the e-commerce essentials plan offers the best value. With WooCommerce, SEO, backups, and more included, it's a smart upgrade, especially with a discount. Every Bluehost plan includes a free domain name for the first year, a free SSL certificate to help protect your website, and one-click WordPress installation, which makes it really easy to get your site online fast, even if you've never created a website before. Another thing Bluehost is known for is its 24/7 customer support. Whether you have technical questions, need help with setup, or just want a little extra guidance, you can reach their team anytime via live chat or phone. They also offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, which gives you a risk-free way to test things out. So if you sign up and later decide Bluehost isn't the right fit for you, you can cancel within the first month and get a full refund. No hassle, no pressure. During checkout, you may notice a few optional upgrades, such as advanced security features or SEO tools. These extras aren't required to get started, so feel free to leave them unchecked for now. You can always add them later once your site is live and you know what you need. After you've completed your sign up, I recommend watching the video I've linked right here. It's a full step-by-step guide that shows you how to set up your Bluehost account and build your WordPress website from scratch. No technical experience needed. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your discounted Bluehost hosting.